Imagine you're building a global fintech app. You need a payment gateway that's reliable, scalable, and can handle multiple currencies. You've heard about Airwallex, a popular choice in the industry. But one question lingers: does Airwallex use Swift? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to Airwallex, let's quickly recap what Swift is. It's a high-performance, general-purpose programming language developed by Apple. It's designed to be intuitive and efficient, making it a popular choice for iOS and macOS app development. But can it be used for back-end services like payment gateways? Airwallex is a global financial infrastructure platform that provides a range of financial services, including payment processing, currency exchange, and treasury management. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. So, does Airwallex leverage Swift for its back-end infrastructure? Swift in back-end development, a growing trend. While Swift is primarily associated with front-end development, its use in back-end development is on the rise. It offers several advantages, including performance. Swift is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a great choice for performance-critical applications. Safety. Swift's strong type system helps prevent common programming errors, leading to more reliable code. Interoperability. Swift can interoperate with existing Objective-C code, making it easier to integrate into existing projects. Community and ecosystem. The Swift community is growing rapidly, and there are a wide range of tools and libraries available to support back-end development. Airwallex and Swift, the evidence. While Airwallex hasn't publicly disclosed its specific technology stack, there are several clues that suggest it might be using Swift for some or all of its back-end infrastructure. Talent acquisition. Airwallex has been actively hiring Swift engineers, indicating a growing interest in the language within the company. Open source contributions. Airwallex has contributed to various open source Swift projects, demonstrating its commitment to the language and its community. Industry trends. As mentioned earlier, the use of Swift in back-end development is becoming more common. It's possible that Airwallex is following this trend to gain the benefits of the language. While we can't definitively say whether Airwallex uses Swift for all of its back-end infrastructure, the evidence suggests that it's a strong possibility. The language's performance, safety, and interoperability make it an attractive choice for a company like Airwallex that needs a reliable and scalable payment gateway. So, to answer your original question, does Airwallex use Swift? It's likely that they do, at least to some extent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.